How to Win Friends and Influence People is a classic self-help book written by Dale Carnegie and published in 1936. It is a guide on how to develop better relationships and improve one's communication skills. The book is based on Carnegie's experiences teaching courses in public speaking and human relations, and provides practical and actionable advice for building strong relationships with others. Here are the key takeaways from the book. Become a good listener. One of the most important aspects of making friends and influencing people is being a good listener. Carnegie emphasizes the importance of showing genuine interest in others, and being a good listener can be one of the best ways to show that interest. He suggests asking questions, encouraging others to talk about themselves, and being attentive and non-judgmental while they do so. Smile. A simple smile can go a long way in making a good first impression and improving one's relationships with others. Carnegie notes that smiling is contagious, and that a warm and friendly smile can make people feel more comfortable and at ease. Be genuinely interested in others. In order to build strong relationships, it is important to be genuinely interested in others and their lives. Carnegie suggests paying attention to what people are saying, and making an effort to learn about their interests and hobbies. He also notes that it is important to remember people's names, as this shows that you value them and their opinions. Practice empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Carnegie emphasizes the importance of putting oneself in others' shoes, and of understanding their perspectives and motivations. By doing so, one can build trust and improve relationships with others. Give honest and sincere praise. Carnegie stresses the importance of giving honest and sincere praise, as this can be one of the most effective ways to make friends and influence people. He suggests focusing on people's strengths and acknowledging their accomplishments and contributions in a genuine and heartfelt manner. Admit mistakes. Carnegie notes that admitting mistakes can be a powerful way to build trust and respect with others. By being open and honest about one's mistakes, and by taking responsibility for them, one can demonstrate humility and show that they are willing to learn and improve. Be a leader. Carnegie notes that people are naturally drawn to leaders who are confident, decisive, and optimistic. He suggests developing leadership skills, and being willing to take charge and make decisions when necessary. He also emphasizes the importance of being a positive influence, and of setting a good example for others to follow. In conclusion, How to Win Friends and Influence People is a timeless classic that provides valuable insights and practical advice for building strong relationships and improving one's communication skills. Whether you're looking to make new friends, improve your professional relationships, or simply become a more influential person, the lessons and principles in this book can help you achieve your goals.